Hi there and welcome to this new video of the Casio ABL-100WE. I will do a review and comparison with some other popular Casio models you might know, the F91w as well as the A168. So here we have the packaging, fairly simple Casio packaging as we all know, cardboard box, watch wrapped in plastic, nothing fancy here. Let's take the watch out of the wrapper, there we have it. Remove this cardboard sleeve here. Yep, there we are. And we have a sticker, plastic sticker to protect the screen. Let's remove that as well. And here we have our first look at the new Casio ABL-100. Now let's go over some of the features that the watch has. As you can see, very thin profile. Clearly got the design elements of the A168. And yeah, let's go over some of the functions now of the watch. Of course, we have the standard time and date window here with a seconds timer above, then a stopwatch screen with the ability to store multiple stopwatch records, as well as a countdown timer. Of course, a dual time, so we can have two time zones visible on the watch, as you can see here. Daily alarm function, and then we're back to the main screen. The backlight is very bright, it's amber colored, and as you can see here on the normal lighting, it lights up fine, so no issues there. We can connect the watch via Bluetooth to our phone, so if you press the search button on the right button, it will play a sound on your phone, so if you lost your phone you can find it back easily. And then on the top left, we can switch to the step tracker, where the watch keeps track of all of your daily steps. So those are the main features of the watch. Moving on, of course, the comparison between the well-known Casio models. For me, of course, the F91w and the A168 are some key watches to compare the new ABL-100 to. Here you can see the F91w on my 17 centimeter wrist. As you can see, relatively on the small side for me. Of course, very thin watch, this one. But for me, rather on the small side. Then if we look at the A168, this is a lot better for my wrist. It fills the wrist nicely. Little bit larger footprint, as you can see. So also a lot thicker than the F91w. And so that's nice. Then we go to the ABL-100, and oh my god, this is really the sweet spot. You can see that beautiful bracelet there. Very thin profile, I would say, between the F91w and the A168. And very nice size for my wrist. Look at that bracelet, beautiful. Okay, so short verdict. I made up my mind. The ABL-100 is my new favorite vintage Casio watch. Great features. The Bluetooth option to connect it to your phone, the step tracker, the overall size. I think Casio hit a home run here. So it's definitely staying on my wrist. And if you can, grab on. And thank you for watching. And I will see you in the next one. Thank you. Bye.